Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to add asterisk subtitles to your videos in Canva completely free. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn plain videos into engaging, accessible content that's perfect for sharing on any social media platform. Alright, let's dive right in. So let's say you already have your video ready to go and you want to add those handy subtitles that help everyone follow along whether they're watching on mute, need some extra clarity, or speak another language. The first thing you'll want to do is create a script for your subtitles. Now, here's a little shortcut. You can use ChatGPT to quickly generate a short script based on your video's audio. This not only saves you time, but also helps you spot any parts of your video where the words might be unclear or need trimming. Just open up ChatGPT, paste in your video transcript, or summarize what's said, and it'll clean up the text into neat subtitle-sized chunks. Once you've got that subtitle script, carefully copy it. The next step is to jump into Canva and open your video project. What you'll do now is asterisk paste in the first line of your subtitles as a text box right onto your video. Make sure it's clear and easy to read. Think about placing it at the bottom of the frame, using a solid or shadowed background if your video is busy, so viewers never miss it. Here, where a little technique comes in to help your subtitles actually match what's being said. On Canva's timeline, scrub through your video to the moment where that first line of text should disappear and the next line should begin. When you find that spot, go ahead and split the video page. That's Canva's way of letting you change what's on screen at any exact moment. After you hit split, add a second text box with your next line of subtitles. It's just like flipping to a new page in a storybook. One line disappears as the next appears, so viewers can follow along easily. Now repeat this process for each line of your subtitle script. For every sentence or phrase, pause your video, split the timeline right where the line should switch, then add the next subtitle on the new section. Take your time, you might need to replay sections to match things up just right, and that's totally normal. Remember, matching the text with the spoken words will really help your viewers, and trust me, they'll appreciate the extra clarity. Once you've added all your subtitles, you can take it a step further and make them stand out with some simple text animations. This part's optional, but it can make your subtitles more eye-catching and lively. In Canva, you'll see the animation options pop up when you select your text. Try things like typewriter or fade, but keep it readable as the goal is always clarity. And just like that, your video has well-timed, totally free subtitles. Now go to the Share button in Canva, choose Download, select your desired video quality, and you're all set to post your new subtitle-boosted video on any social platform you like. That's it for today's quick guide. If you found this helpful, please tap the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or requests for other Canva tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tips every week. Thanks so much for watching, happy editing, and see you in the next one.